What's going on, everyone? James Speed is here. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. First one in a while. Today, we have a Samsung refrigerator water filter. Before I get started, be sure to subscribe if you have not already yet, if you enjoy my channel, and stay tuned because more buttons at the end of the video. Anyways, I'm gonna start with the box flyer. So, this is the front. It has a Samsung logo and it says it's a genuine water filter. Genuine water filter for Samsung refrigerator. Now here's the side. It has a use authentication tag to test the authenticity. Please refer to the magnet inside. And it says the same thing again in Spanish. Chlorine taste and odor particulates. Asbestos, ozone, I can't read all that. And we have Mediterranean some elements. Alright, now check to see if your water filter is nsf.org. Certain products have been So here's an NSF, and it has a picture of, I guess, the water filter. And now we're at the bottom of the box. So this is 325200. Now here's the other side of the box. It fits like right there. And side-by-side refrigerator, so it can fit, I guess it can fit in either water or slot. How does it fit? And there's a diagram telling you how it fits. French door, side-by-side tape, 4-door flux tape. Flush 3 gallons of water through the dispenser after a water filter replacement. Actual product may differ from image shown above. Check out samsung.com/us to find out which water filter model is right for your refrigerator. Alright, now the top of the box, it has the thing up here, the Samsung logo, and that's the lid. It still has the tape. Now here's the back of the box. Refrigerator water filter. This stuff telling you all the codes and stuff. Model code. Temperature. And a bunch of other stuff right here. Warning. Warning! Do not use any water that is microbiological and safe for if unknown quality. And that's not all, but I can't read that all. Replacement element, NSF mercury registered. And there's all the info about the replacement element, and then there's the barcode right there. Anyways, that's the box fly around. Now here we go to the unboxing. Alright, so we're gonna open this first up, and it's got showing like this thing at the top. And then these are the 2 water filters. And then we have a couple other things. Got this thing, subscription manual, I guess it's month stickers with a month number on it. Anyways, here we go to the items. So, here's the item tour. We got this thing, which is part of the box and packaging. And, this thing, I guess, went at the bottom for, I don't know, some reason. And, sorry, I was distracted by the Amazon delivery guy outside. Anyways, we got the 2 water filters. Now we have a thing with a magnet on it, and it says, Samsung authentication tag. I guess this is the authentication tag. I'll give you guys a quick look at that. And we have month stickers for, I guess the month you use them. And they are all numbered in the parentheses, the month number. And then we got the instruction booklet. Now this does fold out, but that's pretty much it. And anything else that I forgot? Nope, I think we got everything. Anyways, here we go to the finishing overview. So thanks for watching. For the finishing overview, I decided to just use one of the filters. And I think this is a good filter, but Samsung, I leave about a 4-star review, probably because I don't have the fridge for this, but I guess it could fit in either fridge. And YouTube viewers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button below, and if you enjoy my channel, if you haven't yet, click that red subscribe button below or on the channel page. And if you would like to, if you want to be notified when I have a new video out, click that bell icon so you can be notified. And if you know someone who might be interested in this video that you have contact with on your devices, click that share button. On computer, it's either up here or up here, and it's an arrow that looks like it's going like that or that. And if you have any questions or concerns or thoughts you want to share with some of the other viewers of this video, comment down below. Don't argue, don't fight. If you want to see everyone else's thoughts that they will to let us know, then just open up comments right down below the screen once you exit full screen. Anyways, once the end screen pulls up, click on this video right here, this video, or this profile circle to either watch next video or subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!